Welcome to the Users and Group Permissions demo. In this demo, we will learn how to create, edit, and manage users in daitaGRC. User and group permissions are essential for managing access. Groups simplify administration by providing baseline access, while individual users' access can be tailored as needed. Start by clicking Settings on the left navigation menu. By default, the Users tab shows a table of all users, with action items available via the three dots at the far right of each row. Let's practice creating a new user together. Click Add User. On the profile screen, we enter the details of a new user. Let's fill in the first and last name. Next, the user's email. The rest of the fields on the screen are optional. We will just fill out the title field for this example. Before creating the user, check the box at the bottom of the screen if you want them to receive email notifications. Finally, click Submit to officially create the user. Now we can see our newly created user in the table. This user will receive an email inviting them to create a login for daitaGRC. Next, let's look at the action items available for a user. Click the three dots at the end of the row. For a user, we can edit, suspend, or delete their account. Let's focus on assigning permissions, the key part of creating a user. Click Permissions. This view shows all available permissions by module, the items listed on the left navigation menu. With these, we can customize and control each user's access. To assign all permissions in a module, click the checkbox next to the module title. Let's do the first four. We can also adjust granular access by clicking individual permissions. Let's remove the user's delete permissions from remediation and requests. Now that you know how to edit permissions, I will update the rest. Next, click the Groups tab. In the Groups tab, you can manage what groups the user belongs to. Since this is a new user, there are none attached. If we wanted to assign this user to a group, we'd check the group boxes before clicking Save. In this demo, however, we'll focus on creating a new group from scratch and adding the user to it. Click Save to create the user. Now that our user has updated permissions, let's move on to the Groups tab. Click Groups. The Groups tab displays permission-based groups that users can be assigned to, making it easy to manage access at scale. Let's practice creating one by clicking Add Group. This screen has three sections: the group name, members, and permissions. Let's start with filling out the group's name. Next, let's add some members to our new group. Click the plus icon. First, we will add our new user. Select John Doe from the drop-down. Click Add to confirm member selection for your group. Now we can see John Doe under the Members section. Let's add Jane Doe as well. Finally, let's edit the Permissions section. Since this is a compliance group, we'll set stricter baseline access. Now that we have selected permissions, click Create to finalize the group. Here's our new group. Use the action icons on the right to manage it, starting with members. Here we can view, add, or remove group members. Let's cancel out of this screen instead of making any changes. Next, click the Edit Permissions icon. This screen displays the permissions previously selected for the group. You can edit them and save changes at any time. The last icon is a red trash can. For this example, we will delete the Executives group by clicking the trash icon. Thank you for walking through this demonstration on how to utilize users and groups in the Settings module. Check out other training videos, such as certifications or issues and remediation, to learn more.